Hey to all those seeking vibrant health, it's Dr. Rachel Northern, family wellness chiropractor, and it's my weekly health tips. And my title tonight is Who's Doing Acts of Kindness? So I've seen some things here on Facebook of people setting up donation stations for people who are in need to be able to people can donate items and goods, and others can come that need it and come take it with no charges. I've seen a lot of things, good suggestions. So I'm just curious of how many of you guys are doing kindness acts out there, and I want you to comment below if you can, like this, share this post. I want to just listen to some positive things people are doing and give us some ideas. I did look up some ideas myself, and one thing I did was they talked about sending a friend a care package. And I had a friend who practices in the city, and she was getting low on cleaning supplies. We're open here as chiropractors, we're considered essential. So we're having to triple time clean our tables and clean all these surfaces constantly in our office when people come in. And she needed some cleaning supplies. And she wanted some a little bit more organic and not so corrosive. So I sent her a little care package of cleaning supply stuff so she could do that. Another idea is to send a postcard or a letter or something. I think a postcard because then people can see it without having to handle it too much. I have to open the envelope or anything. Another thing is, let me look at my list because I found it. Paying for somebody's takeout behind you or the drive-through. This is stuff we've talked about before, and so it's something like that, or the coffee behind you, somebody's coffee that's picking up coffee or whatever you guys are getting. But we've done this in the past, and in our car, my husband is really good about this, and it's kind of cool because you're driven off already, and then they get to the window and find out that somebody paid. So what else do I got here? This has been one I've seen on the internet, which is really nice, is people checking on their elderly neighbors and seeing if they need groceries or food, any supplies that they might need, and going out and buying for people in need. That's really great. Also, another thing is taking care of their yard. If they need some sticks picked up or, lawn service. We're just now where the snow is melted here now and the grass is starting to grow, and now it's time to kind of do some yard work. And if people that are saying that they're bored, well, you can help a neighbor out, maybe an elderly neighbor that can't come out of their house. So that's one thing you can do. And what else I got on here? You can still send flowers to people. I have one patient that works for a flower shop, and they are still running. So that is another good idea. And I want you to comment below if there's some ideas that you've been doing. One last one I want to talk about is just complimenting the cashier. If you're going into the grocery store, there's a lot of tension out there right now, and it's just good to just compliment people and give them some little encouragement. So I've talked in videos before about how when you compliment something or you do something good for someone else, it actually has a good response and good for your body of just helpful self-esteem, and helps yourself, your own mental capacity to make you happier. And it's actually lasts. There's long-term effects, and actually you can think back on it and it can make you feel better about yourself. So these are great things that can help you. And while you're helping others, not that you're doing self-servingly, but it just does come back to you, because whatever you put out good, it'll come back to you, I believe. So please comment below. Let me know if you've done any of these acts of kindness. Please share. I want to hear what you do. And if you have some couple other tips that you want to share, please share those. All right. Take care. Have a great week. Stay healthy.